I know you guys are so excited to learn SketchUp now that we put so much effort into Revit, but that's what we're going to have to do. So let's get going on it right away. I know I'm excited because I actually enjoy SketchUp a lot compared to Revit. And once we start doing some little bit of work in it, I think you'll enjoy it better too. And the other cool part is it's free and you get to use it whenever you want to, wherever you need to. So we're going to start out here. I'm in a week one folder here. You've done your screenshot of the meeting. You've done your screenshot of the Google Drive folder. You've done your screenshot of the SketchUp for Schools. And we are into 1.4 drawing to size with SketchUp. SketchUp drawing quiz is going to come after. This is all the learning that you're going to need to do for this. So your quiz is going to be open and honest with you. We have a 2x6x8 that you're going to have to draw, a 2x8x4 that you're going to have to draw, and a 2x10x12 that you're going to have to draw. That's going to be on your own. I'm going to draw some stuff with you today. So we're going to go into that 1.4. And the first thing that we're going to cover is on the objective here, learn SketchUp tools to draw to accurate size and to create components. Those are two of the biggest things that we have to kind of figure out here before we really get taken off in SketchUp. Now, I have a template file set up for you. We're actually going off of a book. Hold on one second. It is called SketchUp and Layout for Architecture. And it's kind of a cool book that we're going to be going off of here, but I'm going to be taking you through the whole thing. And this is for the computer-based version, and we're going to do the web-based version. So we're going to kind of improvise and compromise here. So this file brings you to my drive. You're coming to my shared folder here, Architecture SketchUp Template Files. And this is where I'll put any template files that we'll need. It's the same spot then for all the template files. It's actually just a folder. So I'm going to click on the building template. And I'm going to double click on it. And the cool thing about it is because we already added the app SketchUp for Schools, right up here, if it doesn't say open with SketchUp for Schools, it's going to say connected apps, and then you can hit SketchUp for Schools. And it's opening, and it's opening, and it's opening. Maybe it's opening. We'll see. We'll see how fast your internet is compared to mine at home. I think maybe I need to upgrade that a little bit. But here we go. It's finally open. And it says building template here. It says saved right now. I'm going to click the little file right here and hit save as. I'm going to call it, look here, 1.4 drawing to size with SketchUp. I'm just going to highlight that because I went over to this tab, hit Control C on it, or right click on it and hit copy. I'm going to come over to here and I'm going to right click, Control V, paste it. So that's the Control key on your keyboard and the V to paste it, because apparently right click doesn't work in here for some reason. I don't know why, but it doesn't. And we're going to hit OK. And it's coming up, and it's saving, and it's saving, and it's saving, and it says Google Drive over here. Aha, this is why we made that folder beforehand, because you'll notice this is one other kind of goofy thing about this is I can't make a new folder. But because we made that folder beforehand, we go there, we click on SketchUp. If you double click on SketchUp, it grays it out. You want to go back to Architecture and just click on the SketchUp folder and hit select. And here we go. 1.4 drawing to size with SketchUp, and it is going. We are going to start out. Now the first thing that